Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 23 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So asked to find the inverse of this function, right? So we have y equals e to the power 2x minus 1, and I just want to take that exponential part down. So that would require us to find the ln of both sides, and if you find the ln of the right hand side, it will just bring the exponent down. So I have 2x minus 1. And at this point, I can now choose to swap here or to wait it out. Let's wait it out for a bit. So let's have 2x on one side. So I just swapped basically the directions of these things. So let me do it properly. So I just keep 2x minus 1 on one side and ln y on the other side. So just basically just swap the directions or the sides. And I'm going to keep 2x there, but I'm going to move the 1 to this side. So if you move the 1 to this side, it'll now be positive. Okay, at this stage, we can now consider swapping. So where I see an x, I'm going to substitute a y. Here, where I see a y, I'm going to substitute an x. Now I can make y the subject, and that would mean that I'm basically multiplying both sides by a half or dividing both sides by 2. It's the same thing. And that will give me this. And in the end, when I multiply through, that would be a half ln x plus a half